Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from Purposely Pixel, and today I want to discuss the different cutouts for the Pixel 6 cases. These are actually for the Pixel 6 Pro, and I received these from Mobile Fun UK, and I'll leave a link below in the description to their website. We have the open strip cutout, and we have the individual cutout for the camera, lenses, the flash, etc. So I want to know, which one do you prefer? You know, the Pixel 6 is going to be announced shortly, October 19th, 6 days away at the start of filming for this video. And, you know, the camera is obviously the highlight of Pixel phones. Although we have the Tensor software-hardware combination now, we're very excited to see how everything is put together. But, you know, it's the first time in a while that we have the new camera lenses, new hardware for the camera of the Pixel. And even though the previous Pixels in the past, the 4A, 5G, the 5, the 5A, they all had tremendous cameras. But this one, you know, should be very special. So how would you like to protect your lens strip? Would you want to protect it with each individual lens covered? Or do you want to show off the strip that is pretty much unique to the Pixel device that's coming soon? I'm going to go with the open strip, although if you want protection, definitely the individual cutouts will offer you more protection. But I think I want to show off the actual design. I think I want to show off this is the Pixel 6. It's not the same as other devices in terms of design. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I want to know from you guys, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the individual cutouts, or do you prefer the strip? Hit me up in the comments below. Let us know. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. This is Lenny Bonds signing off from Purposely Pixel.